Thank you for stopping by again. So I mentioned in our past video that I was going to make one on how to join a Google Classroom. And I did mention before that by now your child should already be enrolled in a Google Classroom if they need it. So this isn't a step that you need to worry too much about. But I was going to show you in case you wanted to add my demo classroom, in case you want to practice on submitting assignments, kind of playing around, in case you're too scared to go through your child. I know that sometimes myself, I'm scared of hitting the wrong button and sending something I'm not supposed to send to the teacher. So do not worry. We're here for you so that you can practice. So I shared with you this code right here last time, which was the code to my Google Classroom. And let me write it down so that I get it right. Okay. Okay, so that code, you're going to copy it somewhere on a paper. You're going to go back to your Google Classroom app and you're going to press this plus sign. That plus sign, you're going to add join class right here. And right here where it says class code, you're going to put in the code that I gave you earlier, or the code for your teacher, your student's teacher, any Google Classroom code and that you want to be a part of. Let's see. YYAQ. Okay. Nope. Q, I believe. Let me see. Yes. Okay. So right here at the top, after I finish putting the code, you see the button that says join. We're going to press join. And if you wrote down the code correctly, then it should take it directly to the new classroom that you added. And that's how you add a Google Classroom class to your app. But I hope this was useful. Feel free to look around and play around. Let me know if maybe a Google Classroom would work for the Wellness Center. I'm thinking of maybe just keeping this one and adding pictures and posting things for the Wellness Center. Let me know if this is something that works for you and your family and your school. Remember, I am the face worker for your schools, Davis and Hoover. And this is my information if you ever need it, if you need any resources that are in the community or any resources from our school and district. You have a wonderful day.